whenever, me and Hemant spoke to them, husband wife were in sync. In sync. I mean, there was no confusion that, they are shooting for a goal, how they are shooting, how much is, how the volume is coming, so both of them had equal clarity. And I think it is so important, especially if you're building it as a husband and wife, you cannot be confused about your goal. There needs to be a certain amount of clarity. There needs to be an action plan which you already know, what you want to accomplish. So that is one thing. Second thing is they are the biggest servers that we've found. We'll be forwarding you one email which we got from one of their downlines. And the way they have spoken about these guys, in the email, they've written, such kind of things about them in the email. It talks so highly about a leader. How do you know that a person is actually a true leader, when the people in his team are talking so high about him. And they are true servers, they have gone the extra mile, done plans for, their cross lines, helped everybody in the team, and they've stood strong. And let me tell you, when the recession was going on, things were not great as well. Many of us complained. There was a point when, they didn't have their jobs as well. But nothing shook them, nothing, changed their mindset or attitude towards the business. It is very easy for a common person to say that, we both have lost our jobs, we cannot afford to build this business. But they stood strong, And another thing that I wanted to say is, they have one kid. Shweta is pregnant right now, but the work ethics is just uncomparable. I mean, there's no way, you can, I personally can feel that, a person who is pregnant is, so much out there and doing so much and, making it for the family. So they've paid the price. They truly deserve it, and we have no questions, they are going to get it done to platinum ship. So we are excited for them. But I'm telling you, if you're coming to the FEC, you have to shake hands with them. You have to know how they've done it, because, they are one incredible couple. They are down to earth. They are always helpful. They'll always be willing to, share their expertise with you. So if you're coming to the FEC, make sure you congratulate them. Make sure you, get to know, get some nuggets from them, and make sure you're there in the FEC first of all to witness such an event. Because it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. And another thing that I wanted to add is, I know there are many moms in the room, and you might be having questions that, FEC, what about, kids, how the arrangements going to be done. And I'm pretty sure I'm in touch with, most of the appliance, and everybody is working out so that, we can make your stay as comfortable as possible, and, your kids stay as comfortable as possible. There are people who've arranged babysitters, close by in the city area and things like that. So talk to your appliance. There are ways and means, how we can help you out, but you've got to witness this event. You've got to definitely witness this event. And with that, I'm done.
Awesome, folks. With that, we are done for tonight. But I'm so proud of this team. I can see that momentum happening in Sydney. I know Melbourne is exploding, Brisbane is exploding. We've started explosions happening in Adelaide, Perth. Okay, it's happening in every city. But I'm telling you, Sydney is the mothership. Would you agree?
Yes.
Okay, it's time for us to, step up again, guys, and just create that momentum again. Wild Future is awesome. And I know that I know most of you in this room, okay? And I know that your heart is in the business, your soul is in the business, and you are going through certain things in life, but you know what? You're committed to it, okay? Maybe not this month, but I'm sure a month is written in the books of history where you'll be recognized for what you have achieved, okay? We're just waiting for that day, okay? I know it's going to happen for each and every one for us. With that, we are done, and have a phenomenal trip back home, okay? And one last tip, guys. Next open meeting is by whom?
Because.
Come on, by whom?
Because.
What are you going to do? Okay. First, you want to be there?
Yes.
So others are not? Sure? Okay, so make sure you be there and let's pack the place, guys. Next 3 weeks, okay? Next 3 weeks open. Alright? It's a time to pack the place. Okay? And in between show as many plans as you can, and it's going to be a phenomenal function, okay? With that we are done, and have a wonderful night.
And